Good morning, all of you. Hope you all are safe and healthy at your place and are using precautionary measures needed in this corona period. Now, बच्चे, your vacation is over. Enjoyed your vacation? Of course, I know you have enjoyed a lot. Now, beta, back to the routine work, and today we will do lesson 1 of unit 3. Today we will do lesson 1 of unit 3 beta. Now take out your books. Open your book at page number 20 and read it carefully beta. Clear bachche? Today we will do lesson 1 of unit 3. Now name of the lesson is Father of the Nation. Name of the lesson is Father of the Nation. Clear beta? Now see, who is he? He is a great freedom fighter. Do you recognize him? He is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is a great freedom fighter of our country. Due to his sacrifices and endless love and respect for his country, he is called Father of the Nation. Clear beta? He is Mahatma Gandhi. He is a great freedom fighter of our country. Due to his sacrifices and endless love and respect for his country, he is called the Father of the Nation. Now beta, next is birth of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? On 2nd October 1869. That's why every year 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Clear students? Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 and every year 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti beta. Now, what was the name of Mahatma Gandhi's father? The name of Mahatma Gandhi's father was Shri Karamchand Gandhi. The name of Mahatma Gandhi's father was Shri Karamchand Gandhi. And what was the name of his mother? The name of his mother was Shrimati Putli Bai. The name of his mother was Shrimati Putli Bai beta. Clear beta? Mahatma Gandhi's father's name was Shri Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Shrimati Putli Bai. Now beta, what was the role of Mahatma Gandhi in India's freedom? I have already told you that he was a great freedom fighter. He struggled a lot to make his country free. He struggled a lot to make his country free. Clear beta? Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. He struggled a lot to make his country free. He always used to speak the truth. According to him, there is no God higher than truth. According to Mahatma Gandhi, there is no God higher than truth. So he always used to speak the truth. So children, you should also always speak the truth. never tell a lie, always speak the truth. He used to wear khadi. Mahatma Gandhi used to wear khadi. Beta, what is khadi? Khadi is a hand woven natural fiber made with cotton. What is khadi? Khadi is a hand woven natural fiber made with cotton. And Mahatma Gandhi used to make this fiber using charkha. Clear beta? Mahatma Gandhi used to wear khadi, and khadi is a hand woven natural fiber, and Mahatma Gandhi used to make it on charkha. Next is Mahatma Gandhi died on 30th January 1948. Mahatma Gandhi died on 30th January 1948, and he was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. He was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. Due to his love and care for his country, due to his love and care for his countrymen, he was named Bapu. Clear beta? Due to his love and care for his countrymen, he was named Bapu. What is the other name of Mahatma Gandhi? Bapu. What is the other name of Mahatma Gandhi? Bapu. Clear बच्चे? Now beta, you will do this page in your book. This is page number 20. You will do this page in your book. First blank is, this is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869. He helped our country to become free. He helped our country to become free. He always spoke the truth. He always spoke the truth. He spun thread out of cotton to make khadi. He spun thread out of cotton to make khadi. He died on 30th January 1948. He died on 30th January 1948. His heart was filled with love and compassion for all. That's why he is addressed as Bapu. Clear beta? You will do this page in your book. Is it clear बच्चे? Let's revise. Mahatma Gandhi is called father of nation. He was born in 2nd October 1869. He struggled a lot to make his country free. He always used to speak the truth. He used to wear khadi. He died on 30th January 1948. And people call him Bapu for his love and care. Clear beta? You will do this page in your book. Is it clear beta? So बच्चे, that's all for today. Have a nice day.